Hello, good morning students of class 9. This is Neeraj Pratap Singh and today we will understand our lesson 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. So basically it is not a story. We can say that it is a biography of Albert Einstein. Means from childhood what he was and when he became a scientist. The whole story is given in your book, in this chapter. So we will start from the beginning. In the childhood, when at the age of 2.5 years, he can't speak anything. Means he was not able to speak anything when he was at the age of 2.5 years old. When he became able, when he was able to speak anything, that time he repeated two words. Means he repeats a word, he speak a word and just repeat it twice. That was the condition of Albert Einstein. No one knows that this boy will become a scientist, which is known by all of us. So Albert Einstein was born in a 14 March 1879. I have written some points here. Through these points, we are able to understand the whole thing of the chapter. Means we will summarize the chapter through the points. And if you will collect all the points, if you will understand all the points, it is easy to give the answer of the questions. So from here we are starting. Just Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in German Ulm. Here is a city, that is Ulm in Germany. So he completed his high school in Munich. So first of all, I would like to say something to you. Means at the age of schooling life, means he if when he was in his school, that time he do not like the school system. He was not satisfied with school system. When he was at the age of 15 years, he went to Switzerland to further carry on his studies. The future study was in uh, Zurich. Means when he completed his study from Switzerland, he went to Zurich for further study, for further future studies, and where he met a girl, the name Malavia Mary. He fell in love with that girl, and in 1903 he got married with that girl, the Maileva Mary. So when he was in college, after completing the graduation at the age of 21 years old, he got the job in a technical expert. Means in an office as a technical expert in 1902. And after that, when he was doing the job, that time he just conclude all the things which is related to relativity. Means he in 1905 he conclude a theory that named a special theory of relativity, which is known by E is equal to mc square. After completing the theory, means it is not known by people, he just made the theory with his own. And after that, when in 1905 15 sorry in 1915 he just a special theory of relativity become the general theory of relativity, and now it is published. It is publicly at that time in 1999 he got the Nobel Prize for this theory. And in this year also he got divorced in 1990. So after that he become famous in a what happened here was a solar eclipse in 1990. So, so here was a solar eclipse, and he concluded he get the accurate exact uh, thing about the solar revolution, means the solar eclipse, the scientific revolution, that was the scientific revolution, because he has given some proof. He gave something that the rays will come from this side and the length will be like that, and after that he became famous. And when Nazi came in power, as you studied in your history book, that this was the era of Second World War. So that time when Nazi became in power, he left Germany and went to USA. In USA, after 5 years, he just concluded all the things, and after 5 years he made a nuclear fission, means the nuclear bomb. And in 2 August 1939 he wrote a letter to US government that here is a bomb, that is nuclear bomb, and if we will throw that bomb in any area, the whole area just related to that area will destroy, completely destroy. And the US government threw that bomb, the nuclear bomb, in Japan, the part of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. As you know that the Nagasaki and Hiroshima will completely destroy in the Second World War. And after this incident he got hurt because it was done by means ki Albert Einstein. Obviously he made the nuclear bomb, so he was the responsible, and he felt very guilty for that. And he wrote another letter to the government of US also, and publicly, uh, for giving the message to the people, but no one has just take any action of that particular letter. So in 1955 he died at the age of 76. So that was the main conclusion of the chapter, how and when he born, where he completed his study, and how he got married and got divorced. Here one thing I have to mention that here was another marriage. He got another marriage to his cousin sister. After getting divorced, he got the marriage to his cousin sister. So that was the main story, main thing about this chapter. We will learn it completely in our classroom. Till then, thank you.